Danny, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making prawn and pork pot stickers, so they're like a dumpling that is fried at the bottom and the rest of it is steamed. This is cheap, easy, quick. It's much less expensive than buying the frozen ones at the store, and you can also make these in bulk like I'm going to do today and freeze them so that you can enjoy them anytime you want without that exorbitant cost of the ones that are pre-packaged. So let's get started. Here I have a large bowl. Now I'm making a triple batch today because, like I said, I like to make them in bulk and freeze them. But I will put the ingredients for one batch down in the description box, and then you can double it or triple it to make as many as you want. So one batch will make about 24 to 26 pot stickers depending on how much you fill them. So I'm going to start off with some pork mince. I'm just going to put that straight into the bowl. And then I'm going to add some raw prawn that I have just chopped finely. These are really delicious. They taste just like the ones you'd buy from a takeaway, so that's why I like to make them at home, because like I said, they are a lot cheaper than what you'd buy at the store. Then I have some Chinese cabbage. I've got some green shallots. So everything that I've done, I've finely chopped just to get them to make like a nice consistent size paste. Some oil.
Can you hit with the bone and you'll bleed out?
I've got some oyster sauce. And soy sauce. So now that we've added all of our ingredients to the bowl, I'm going to give this all a really quick mix, and I'll bring you back once it's all mixed. Okay, so we're back. The mixture is nice and combined. It's really nice and soft and juicy. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Gow Gee pastry in order to make my pot stickers. Okay, so to make these,
there's a boat coming from one direction, two people in it.
All we're going to do is not drop them into our mixture. We're going to take our Gow Gee wrapper and we're going to take a heaped teaspoon of our mixture. So we're going to add about that much into the center. And I've got a little bowl over here filled with some water. I'm just going to dip my clean finger in there. And I'm just going to wet the outside of the wrapper. So you don't want it soaking wet, but you do want it wet enough so that it sticks to the part that you haven't wet. Now, the great thing about these is they have a little bit of cornstarch on there, so it makes like a glue. So you're going to go and press from the center and outwards, and out from the center and outward. Now you can leave them like this, but I like to then pinch.
That's smack 3 nakeds, good enough, low grade.
And that's what you end up with. So I'm going to do another one with you. So we have our Gow Gee wrapper. I'm going to add my mixture to the center. Now you want enough so that there's mixture in there, but you don't want it bulging out, otherwise they may actually break when you cook them.
Yeah, pick it up. That's it. That's it.
There we go. And then I'm going to fold. Fold and then pinch. And there we are. So I've made my 60 pot stickers. I'm going to leave them on the tray. I'm going to cook some now because we're going to have some lunch. But I'm going to freeze some just like this, and then when I want to use them I can just take them out and cook them from frozen and they'll be perfect. Alright, so to make these pot stickers, what you're going to need is about 2 teaspoons of olive oil in a non-stick pan and half a cup of water. We're going to start off by browning the bottoms of these pot stickers, and then we're going to steam them by putting in some water. So once I've got a medium-high heat on, once your pan and oil is nice and hot, we're going to add the pot stickers and allow them to fry on the bottom for a few minutes. When you pick them up, they should be this colour underneath. I'm going to add in half a cup of water. Just be careful because it will steam up. And now I'm going to put a lid on and just let them steam for the next 4 to 5 minutes. And we are done. The pot stickers are ready to be served. If you're doing more batches, then just keep on going, take these ones out, add a little more oil and put the new ones in. I'm going to serve these up with a little bit of soy sauce and we're going to enjoy them. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you come back and stop by for more frugal recipes and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye!